How to make $150 per day with CPA grip using your phone. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your CPA Greek account, and you want to make sure you select this PS5 offer. Right, I have this free landing page that I'm going to share with you, and you are going to be using just YouTube to drive traffic to this landing page with these targeted keywords. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm going to be giving you this PS5 landing page that you can use to promote this offer, which pays $2.33. All right, if you can get 20 to 30 people per day, and I'm going to show you how to get up to 20 to 30 people per day who are going to complete this offer, and you are going to be making around $50 per day. And if you put in more work, then you can make more than $50 a day doing this. All right, so it all depends on how much time and effort you are willing to put into this strategy. Okay, so now you want to go to your CPA Grip account. So if you go to your CPA Grip account, then you want to go to United States. So you want to go to your CPA Grip account, and when you're in your account, you want to go to my offers and click on United States. Then you want to come to this PS5 offer. Right, all they need to do, all what the visitor need to do is submit their email, and then you get paid $2.33. Right, that's all they need to do, nothing more. Once they put in their email and continue, you get paid, and you can get up to 20 people that will be willing to put in their email for free, so that you make money with this offer. Right, so we are going to be using YouTube to promote these offers. So if you come to YouTube and type in best PS5, you can see countless list of keywords that you can target, right, to promote this offer. And a lot of people on YouTube are actually from United States. All right, so once you click on, for example, if you're going to click on best PS5 games, and we click on this, so once you click on this, then you want to click on filter, and make sure you want to either click on the last hour, today, or this week. But I usually prefer this week, because by then the video must have gathered a lot of views and comments. So if you click on this video, right, as you can see, this video has just 77 comments. Right, so what you can do is I've made a script. Right, you come here and copy this script, and I must say, I'm not saying you should spam this video or any of the video you are going to be applying this method. You actually want to watch part of the video and make a relevant comment to that video. All right, so once you've made a relevant comment to that video, then you want to have, for example, if I'm going to be making this comment, right, because I have actually watched this video, so this comment says it's definitely Ghost Runner for me. I remember how I could spend hours playing this game all day. However, I was wondering if by chance anyone knows where or how I can get a good PS5 deal for my little brother coming birthday. Thanks in advance. Then you are going to use a different YouTube account to reply to this comment, and then you leave a link to this landing page. So anyone who comes to this video, right, as you can see, this video has about 20,000 views already, and the video is still growing, right? So the more people come to this comment section and they see this comment, because this comment looks exactly like what a normal viewer would comment, right? So what you want to do is reply this comment with a different YouTube account, right? And then you leave a link to this landing page, right? So basically that is all you need to do to drive traffic to this landing page. The second thing is how to make this landing page. All right, you have two options, right? The first option is to send the visitors directly to the CPA Grip offer, right, which is the PS5 offer, which is available to only people in the United States, right? So to create this offer, this is the landing page I made for it. As you can see, if you go up to the search bar, you see say Google site.google.com/view/PS5. All right, so if they click on this image, it's going to take them to this CPA Grip offer, right? So this PS5 offer, as you can see, this is the link to this specific offer. So if I copy this link and then I go to Google site, create new site, all I need to do is screenshot this landing page. And don't worry, I'm going to share a link where you can download this landing page, right? So once you screenshot this landing page, you save it to your computer, and then you come to these images, you click on these images, and then you click on upload. So you are going to click on the screenshotted image, right? So once you click on it, it's going to upload it. And how do you screenshot image? You just go to your search bar, right, and look for your sniping tool. So when you have the sniping tool, then you snipe the whole screen, right? So that is how you screenshot the screen. So once you screenshot it, it will ask you to save the image. So after saving it, then you can upload the image right here. So once you upload it, then you click on the image. After adjusting the image to the size that you like, then you click on the image and click on this insert link, and then you go back to your CPA Grip, copy this link, and then you paste it, right, and then you apply. So that is basically all you need to do for this, to get this landing page, to create this landing page, right? So the second landing page is going to be this one, which it says ps5deal.github.io. I have already made a completely separate video on how to create a custom domain using github.io for free. Alright, so for this landing page, if they click on continue, it's not going to take them to this CPA Greek offer, right? It's not going to take them to this offer. They have to fill in their name. Let's say Jan at Gmail, right? And if I select any region and continue, as you can see, it says to choose which of the PlayStation. So if I click on this first one and then click on I choose the standard version, right? As you can see now, the locker is working. As you can see now, it says to verify this page. So if the user clicks on the verify, it's going to pop a locker, right? As you can see, it say we need to ensure you are not a robot. Install and run 2 apps or complete offers below to continue. So basically, they have to complete offers here before you can make money. So if they complete any of these offers or download an app, you are going to make money. All right, so that's basically the second method. If you don't want to use the first one, which is sending the visitors directly to this page, and keep in mind this is only allowed for people who are from the United States. But if you're going to use this second page, then it doesn't matter where the person comes from, right? All they need to do is complete an offer on this landing page and then you make money. So it's up to you to decide which of the method you want to use. All right, so how to create the locker? All you need to do is go to the monetization tool and then click on content locker and then create new, right, and continue. So once you continue, you're going to write in whatever message you want them to see, right? Whatever message you want them to see. Complete an offer below, right, to unlock page. So it's up to you to write. You can use exactly what I used, but it's up to you to write whatever message you want them to see, and make sure this load method is on click, right? So this load method has to be on click. So basically that's all you need to. You have to write your message. If you want them to complete just one offer, then you have to word it the way you want it. So once you've created your locker, so that's all you need to do to create your locker. So once you've created it, you click on get code and copy the code, and you want to go to the landing page, which I'll share in the description, and then click on the index and open with VS Code. So once you open with VS Code, you want to come to this 136 and then replace, highlight it, and then paste your new code, right? So I've already made an in-depth video on how to do this step by step, so you should go watch that video on how to do it. So once you've pasted your code here, you save it, click on file and save, and then you upload it to GitHub. Also, I've already made a video showing how to do this step by step GitHub, so I'll leave a link to that video so you can go watch that video. So once you uploaded it on GitHub, that's all you need to do. Then you can start applying this method. So you can do this literally for as many videos and target as many keywords. I showed you, if you type in best PS5, you can see there are a lot of keywords to target. So once you search on any of this, then you want to come to filter and either select last hour, today, this week. So you can literally do this method, and make sure you watch the video before leaving a comment so that YouTube doesn't block your comment. So literally that's all you need to do. And if you find any value in this video, make sure to drop a like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.